move to 7.4, work with a paragraph within the Word, Microsoft Word. Last videos we talk about is if you have an old version of Word document with DOC extension, you can use this Win32com library to convert to docx. After that, you can continue use Python-docx library to do the process. So we assume is you have all working in the docx extension now. So this video we talk about the paragraph. And we'll demo to you how to add, how to insert, how to delete our paragraph. The first of the thing is the concept of why this is if you we mentioned that in 7.1 and 2 is just to compare with the Excel. Within Excel, the top level is a workbook. In Word, top level is a document. And within a workbook, by default, when you create a workbook in Excel, you get our worksheet. If you use Excel to open a new file, the first sheet is the sheet 1. But in the Excel, actually, if you open that, you can find you have 3 worksheets by default. But if we create that in the OpenPyXL library, you get the default sheet called SHEET without number. So whenever you create our workbook, you get our worksheet. Difference is paragraph to Word is same as the or similar as the worksheet to workbook in Excel, but if you create our new document through Python docx, there's no default paragraph created at the same time. So which means is our empty document can have our 0 paragraph, but empty workbook in Excel will have at least 1 default and make that active worksheet. And within the worksheet in Excel, you have column and rows, and you have cells. And within paragraph, you have the character or words. So for this video, we talk about on this paragraph level. So actually, is within a document. If you have chance to let's go to my channel. So if I come to here, if I demo to you, so within my channel, I also have another series of the video talking about the LaTeX. So LaTeX is the scientific layout of your document, or you can write document in code. So if you follow the LaTeX syntax, but the key concept actually in LaTeX, if you open a document, it's not a Word, it's generate PDF or LaTeX extension, but the concept is similar. Is they are treat every element as our paragraph, or is the the components. So I hope you can start to familiar the idea of a paragraph. Even within the Word normal usage, you don't put that in quite explicit way. But here, paragraph is every paragraph within Python we treat. We mirror that into a paragraph object. Then when you process this paragraph object, is processing the paragraph in the Word document. So first of the thing is if we create a new document, it will generate our empty paragraph. And what we are going to do is we need to use the add paragraph method to insert paragraph. Let's do this demo altogether. So on this 6.4, so first let's make our the working the directory come to here, then we can use the relative the path to work on this. So let's create our 741 paragraph add paragraph. So same as .x import the document, and then this we instance the document to doc, and then we can now start to print this paragraph. So let's print that. You see here is empty. So let's also do the same thing. Is if I just for the comparison from OpenPyXL import the workbook. Let's this we do for the Word, and this we do for the Excel. So you still remember how to make the Excel work. So we need to instance a workbook with this workbook, and we will let's just print the workbook. So you can see here what you will generate. You get this object, but this object we don't have any paragraph, so we cannot have. Let's see. So worksheets. You see here, you already have our default worksheets. So called is sheet. When we use this WS equal to WB active, you remember we use this many times. It's not create our worksheet. We just make this already created sheet or worksheet as active, because whenever you want to add something, you need to make that active. Then you can start to insert something. So that is the thing. Let's keep do this print. Let's make first is type the doc. Let's see whether we can see this type. So type is a list, you can see. So that is similar. So if I print the type wb.worksheets. So Excel part. So let's just make this clear comparison. So Word part. So now it will be easier to see. Word part, you get this list, and for the paragraphs, even now it's 0, the element. And the same is worksheets is also our list class. And then let's continue. We will use paragraph. We gave our variable and use doc.add paragraph. And then we can print these documents again, and print this type paragraph 1. So let's see here. So now we have our document list is a list, and we have a first one. So we got our paragraph, and we can so this now is not like our empty one. So we have our first object, and this is our paragraph class. How we can add our worksheet? So sheet 2 equal to the wb dot add worksheet create sheet. Sheet 2. Then we print this one, and we print type sheet 2. Let's run this. So you can see here, now we have 2 worksheets, but we also only have 1 paragraph. And then this we also can see the class. So this class is OpenPy Excel worksheet, worksheet, worksheet. And here is a text, paragraph, paragraph. So those are those comparison. So I hope is through this you can also try to remember what we have learned on the Excel using this OpenPy Excel and to compare. So you can see later on when we come to the PowerPoint, you may also see some those commonality, because PowerPoint is just a slide. It's a document or file, and they have the section, they have the page, and they have the different styles within the page. So they also have our kind of the tree-based hierarchy. So that is our first, and actually is we just use the doc, the create our paragraph using add paragraph. But actually, so we can add paragraph with our text. So let's just do in this same way. So without create another file. So let's create our paragraph 2. So this is the content, and let's put this, and instead of what we know, the paragraph 2's the type is our paragraph. So how we can retrieve the paragraph 2's content? So is the text property. So you can see here, paragraph 2. This now we have 1 and 2. So the element is like this, and they are class level 2 class is the text. And through this dot text property, actually this method and already make the decorated as our the property. So we can use dot text to load the content of this paragraph. So this is what we type here. So through this, you already know is so we can just add the text, and then this also because now this paragraph 2.text is loadable. So if you want to modify, so let's see. So I just want to change. Here is the change text. Then let's no need to list this doc, but what we can do is you can see first we got our default input value, and then this we just reassign. So you can treat paragraph.txt text as a normal variable. So you assign the different value of string to them. To it will just apply to the paragraph. And what we can do is we will have a doc save. So if we want to see here, I want to save the test docx. Remember to ensure you have this docx. So then it should create here, and this we have our preview. So here is what's the latest paragraph. But even here is the second paragraph, but because our first paragraph is we don't give any value, so you don't see the content for that. But let's see here, when we add here is the first paragraph. If we add that and run again, you will see 2 paragraphs. It looks like just our enter, but 2 words as our document structure, they are different paragraph. We will learn later on is how we can, or maybe we can just have a try. So here, if I add the enter line, so just the new line and the second line of this paragraph. So let's run, and from here, so you can see, you can feel our kind of the difference, because paragraph to paragraph, the space in the vertical is different to within the paragraph. You have 2 lines. The space is different. So I also suggest you can watch my that LaTeX the video, even that's not working directly with Word. But if you are interested to how to make your layout of your document in more precisely way, you need to use LaTeX. Then at that time, is the Word is not the perfect the tool. So. But since this video is we're talking about how to control Word using Python, so you can do that still. So that is the Word, and what's the did you remember is how you can insert content into the Excel? So that's not like this dot. It's add paragraph. Is remember that we use the normal the append. So let's say we already have our worksheet active, and we have a second worksheet is fine. So we have our active is the sheet. Then is we use worksheet append. So then here append is input is a list. So first is ABC, that's the A1, and BCD is the B1, and then the EFT. So that's the C. So that it can be our header row. Then we can see here is 1, 2, 3. We can have some numbers. We can have some the strings and also the numbers. And we have assume is you already have the two excuse me two lines. And how we can do to read that is we will have the row cells, remember? So it's the worksheet. If you use the number, it's just the first row. And you can also have the column cells used like B is the second column. And you cannot directly print out like here the text. You need to use this looping or the traverse way. So for example, I just wanted to load the first line. So then I put it for cell in row cell and print cell dot value. And I can also make definitely is a workbook save to our test XLXX that we have done. So let's say here, so it's generate, you can see. So we have ABC, BCD, and EFT. So using this looping, we generate, and we have this two-line contents. Like this 2-paragraph content in Word, with use the similar way to operate Excel. So this 741, I hope is you can have an idea is how to add content or modify content in the Word compared to the Excel. And then if you want to clear delete one content in Word, it's just use the load this paragraph and then use this clear the things. Let's now after print is paragraph 2 dot clear. Paragraph 2, Grapt. Oh, I think it's Paragr. Oh, AGH. Oh. Okay. Then let's see. So it's a print like this one, but then it's I clear that. So in the documents, so you can see only you have one paragraph. But one thing you need to pay attention is this clear only content make the content cleared, but you still have two paragraphs. Let's have the print. See, so print document paragraph after we clear. So you can see here. So after clear, we still have two paragraphs. So if you keep adding another paragraph, that will be paragraph 3. So those things you need to use carefully for this clear. And then it's let's do this how we can make this clear is the paragraph insert. So let's create a new file. So here, let's close this, and from here let me add 742 insert delete. So let's try to practice this docx import document, and then we have our doc equal to document and paragraph 1 equal to doc add paragraph. So during this we give the content paragraph. So let's just use the short way. And we put, let's mention this, we put this is the third. So print paragraph 3 dot text. So this is the first, this is the third. So, and what we are going to do is we will add paragraph 2. Is you need to use the paragraph after that. So paragraph 3 insert paragraph before. So now this is the second. Then we print. So we can also use the similar way we did use in the Excel. So for paragraph in doc.paragraphs print p.txt. So let's see. So first we print first and third. Now we insert second in before the third. After that is we do the doc save to 742.docx. So let's see here. So we have these 3 paragraphs. So those are the special the way so we can do the insert, and also we have our page break. So page break is our special type of paragraph. When we have this page break, then the next paragraph will be in the next page. So let's just see here is we have our page break is doc add page break. So we don't have anything here. Then let's just have a look over file. So now after your first paragraph, you have the page break and you have the second and the third. So even you insert our second paragraph before third one, because the third one is in the second page already. So they are still in the second page. And then we can print length of doc paragraph. So we should get 4 paragraphs. So you can see here. So that means the Python library treat the page break also like our special paragraph. So from this way, you can have an idea is how to manage the different page. And then this for the clear, we already learned from here, so we can clear a paragraph content, but you cannot remove the clear those paragraph. If we want to really delete a paragraph, we will need to resolve the document library and then to delete that through this for loop. So let's add this 742. It's just remove paragraph. So the 742, we only do the insert paragraph. Since page break is just the special paragraph, so we don't treat that separately. So for this remove is 743. Let's see. From docx import document, ensure the D is in the capital, and the doc equal to document instance, and then this will initial our empty one. But if we want to open one, we just need to load that. We have our this 742. So let's load this 742. We have 4 paragraph, and let's see here, paragraph 4 paragraph. Actually, we can use the shortest for paragraph in doc paragraphs. Then p equal to paragraph. Use this underscore element is the special the property, and use this get parent. We need to get its parent level, the element parent level. Then that's the real paragraph, and do the remove p. So from here, then we will remove everything. So p dot underscore p equal to p dot underscore element, clear them to none. Then let's make this, let's see here, so doc, so print length doc paragraphs. And then we print this again before we save, and then save to 743. Let's run. Oh, doc PA. Let's run again. Doc paragraph PA. is key. Do I have any other typo error? No. Okay, so before we do this remove, we have a 4 paragraph. After we did that is 0, and what we get are empty. And before that is the 4 paragraph, including 1 page break. So this one, I hope you can remember this treatment. Whenever you want to really clear our paragraph, you can just do like this. So that's the thing is in the this chapter. So next chapter we will start to talk about some styles of the word paragraph. Thank you for your watching. See you then.